get time to go inside. Remember, we're YouTubers. Hey, Robin. No puddles. Oh, you got a puddle? Official rain gauge said ½ inch. Let's see. Stay away from the spinach. Yeah. Uh-oh. Someone sees his bitty. Kitty, kitty! Good morning, kitty. Oh. Did you come find us? Puddle? No pooping in the spinach. None. No. Happy day after your 11th Grandpa Ed. I bless you in the tradition inside Clan McLean. God bless you. Oh man, she's wagging. Wagging. What a good doggy. Yeah, and he loves you.
He loves me second best, but he loves me a lot when you're outside.
Aww.
He said you might move your steps up just to let you in bed with you.
Oh, you good boy. Oh, my howdy. Hey, how are you, bud? Don't even look at my spinach.